A powerful East Coast snowstorm is forming, and it could rapidly intensify into a bomb cyclone. I'm sure you've seen the alerts. Another major winter storm is brewing off the southeast. It may explode into a bomb cyclone as it moves north. Stay tuned. Meteorologists expect a storm to develop off the Carolinas around Jan 31. Then it will track up the mid-Atlantic into New England. Timing: Jan 31 through Feb 2. Most models show heavy snow, dangerous wind gusts, coastal flooding from Cape Hatteras to Cape Cod. A small shift in track, just 100 to 200 miles. That shift could mean coastal blizzard, or a colder, wind-driven weekend inland. Officials warn of rapid pressure drops, blizzard conditions, power outages, extended cold. Prepare now and heed local advisories.